Hello everyone, my name is Shrey and I studied from Lakshya Panchkula Center. Yeah, sure. The journey was amazing. The journey was having lots of ups and downs. There were times when the syllabus going on is not, when you cannot perform up to the mark and bouncing back from that topic to the next topic. It taught me very many things for my future, that I need to be patient, I need to stay calm, and I need not be angry even if I cannot do questions or even if I don't score well at my tests. And teachers also guided me and motivated me a lot when I was down going through. Yeah, it was really helpful in my case, as there was some emergency due to which I could not attend classes for some period of time. At that time, the only thing I had was Robomate Plus. If watching Robomate Plus at that time just prepared my topics up to the mark, and there was very close to the classroom teaching that we have in the Lakshya Institute. Yeah, sure. I will strongly recommend Lakshya, because here the teachers are helpful and they motivate you if you're down. And the only thing that Lakshya has X factor, that is the teachers are very friendly here. The batch sizes are not much, due to which the teachers can keep a check on each student. If you go to other institute, you cannot find this in them. Yeah, I have achievements like I scored a rank of around 15,000 in JEE mains, and I got qualified for JEE advanced, also having a rank of 22,000.